Backyard Pad by Dev and Kaushik Architects in Hyderabad, India. To design a space that houses in a small party yard, an office space, and a gym integrated with a staff quarter housing a small family. The idea is to use the backyard of the property to construct this structure and make use of the backyard more appropriately. Also, to functionally correct the existing entry experience into the home, keeping the design Vastu compliant and bringing more privacy to the front veranda of the home, which otherwise would face the gate directly. Along with a pleasant landscape, wicket entry, and a neat parking space to accommodate multiple cars. Initial observations: the property had a large backyard, with beautiful and tall trees that became the backdrop for everything in the property. View of the busy temple abutting the backyard added to visual and aural disturbance to the owners. Design program and spatial planning. With a simple spatial requirement of living space with a bar, the space envisioned had to spill over to the open lawn for the guests to spread out while keeping the experience intimate. The structure had to blend with the palette of vegetation around, complementing the existing home gracefully. The water body was revamped with hand-chiseled stone spouts which were repurposed from the earlier water body. The interior of the water body was lined with Sukabumi stone from Bali. The small office space and staff quarters were planned in a way that their presence was camouflaged to create privacy, with a gym on the upper level. Material palette: locally sourced granite and exposed brick. Form: finished concrete slabs and walls form the main palette of the structure. A fabricated metal roof with insulation, externally lined with wood, and a staircase are the metal elements in the structure. A dash of green tone was used to paint the metalworks to contrast with the natural material palette. Black granite was used on floors, for ease of maintenance. Revamp of the entry structure. A new structure was built in the form of finished RCC and granite to define the wicket entry into the property. A tall gate designed in metal and composite jute rafters was also planned to take in the cars. Hand-chiseled granite slabs were repurposed from the old water body that existed previously to newly make the entry steps at the wicket entry. Landscape and lighting design. Local varieties of plants and shrubs, both flowering and non-flowering, were added to create a tropical vibe. All the existing trees in the property were retained, maneuvering design requirements and challenges around it. For a property housed in a beautiful landscape and spaces that were created for intimate evening experiences for owners and their guests, the lighting design was minimal and inward-looking.